5 years old, my mother gave me a deck of cards. That deck of cards led me on this incredible journey that's been the last 2 years of my life that you all just saw. You're the first group to see what I've been working on, and it's been amazing. So tonight I brought something very special. When you all entered tonight, you were given a black envelope. Can you all hold the envelope up in the air? Oh wow, you all followed the instructions. You did not open it. Thank you. Good, everybody has the envelope, yes? Can everybody rip open the envelope? Just rip it open. And inside there's a deck of cards. Can you hold the deck of cards up in the air so I can see that you all have the deck? Oh wow, that's pretty amazing. I made these and I spent a lot of energy and effort on them. I think they're really incredible. And this is my first time at D23. And this. Can everybody do just like I do? Everybody open up the box and take all the cards out and pour them onto your hand, face down just like me. You can put the box on the ground, make sure that the box is empty, you didn't leave any cards inside of it, and you can put the box down. Is everybody holding the deck face down in your hands just like me? If anybody wants to help the person next to them, if they're confused, you can just help each other out, but I think you can all do this. Everybody, what I want you to do is I'd like you to cut a group of cards, a little group of cards, and turn over to a card. Everybody turn over a small pile. If your card is the 5 of spades and you're matching me, the odds of that is 1 in 52. Can you all, oh wow, here we got some matches, great, and I see a bunch of matches, but that's only 1 in 52. Everybody put that pile face up as it is on top of the face down deck in your hand, just like I did. So now you have your card face up, just like me. Let's say you cut 10 cards, the next time you'll cut 20. In other words, you're gonna cut deeper than you previously did. So everybody, can you cut a little deeper and turn to a new card? Everybody turn over to a new card. Cut deeper, turn to a new card. If you matched me twice, the odds of that is 1 in the multi-thousands. No one? Okay. All right, everybody put this pile with your new card facing up on top of the pile that's face down in your hand, just like me. You all did that? Great. The lady with the striped shirt, do you want to use the face down or the face up pile? Face up or face down pile? The lady with the red on, can you say a number between 1 and 5? 3? Okay, can everybody take 3 cards, 1, 2, 3, and put them on the bottom just like I did. Everybody take 3 cards and put them on the bottom just like I did. Now take the next card and nobody look at it. Take the next card and hide it under your leg so nobody can see it, not even you. Everybody hide it so nobody can see it. Everybody keep it hidden under your leg. Do not look at it. Do not let anybody see it. Did you all do that? For this, I need somebody to help me. I need 2 volunteers. Hold your hands up if you're okay helping me. I see 2 people closest to me over here. Do you want to help? You can leave your cards behind. And if you can both come up to the stage, they're going to put some mics on you. That would be great. Come up to the stage. Thank you very much. And so you all know, in the history of card magic, this is the first time that 12,000 people have ever done an interactive card trick in one room, so thank you for being here with me. Great. How are you?
Great.
What's your name?
Noah.
Noah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
David, what's your name?
Debbie.
Debbie, nice to meet you. Can you stand facing the audience? Good. Now, Noah, I'm going to run through the cards, and I want you to try to see one inside, but you can see that they're all different. Yes, they're all different. So I'm going to run through like this. I want you to look and try to see one in the middle. Okay, can you see the cards? Hey, I'll do it again. It was too fast. Just try to see one. Did you get one, number, and suit? Don't say it. Did you get one?
Yes.
You did? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so out of all the cards in the deck, and you see every card is different, you don't know what card he chose, correct?
I have no idea.
Okay, you're gonna choose a card.
Okay.
And that will be the card. So here, take a card out, take anyone. Good, and don't look at it. Can you say your card out loud?
3 of hearts.
It was a 3 of hearts. She's holding your card. Would that be impressive?
It would be.
Can you show everybody what card you have? Oh wait.
Are you sure you did 3 of hearts?
It was a 3 of no, but
3 of hearts.
no. I'm saying. No, what I mean is she's holding the card. She's holding the card. What I mean is hold that up so we can see. Hold it just like this. I'm saying the queen is holding the card. Look in the queen's hand. See, the queen is holding the 3 of hearts. Can you all see that? Yeah, see the 3 of hearts. But hold on. Wait, but hold on. Not only is the queen holding the 3 of hearts, but you all took a card that you all hid. If you're holding the 3 of hearts, can you please hold your card? Thank you. Watch yourself go back. Thank you, everybody. I know that you guys like to collect things. The deck of cards that you have is very special to me. I worked really hard on making it. There's lots of hidden messages built into that deck. It is specific to D23, so nobody else in the world will ever have them. And I just hope that when you look at that deck of cards, you remember that something that simple can lead you on this incredible journey. God bless you all, and thank you.